Pacifica. Talofalava. In this video we will draw a sprouted coconut plant with colored pencil. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe now for more videos on how to draw, paint, and create art. In Samoa, the sprouted coconut plant is known as the o'o. The mature coconut plant is known as niu in Samoa and Hawaii. Start with the true green color pencil and begin to draw the shape of the coconut. Begin to draw the main shape of the coconut as well as the area which the plant is starting to break free and sprout. Continue to outline the shape of the leaves. For young coconut plants, the leaves usually start to grow together, then split into two, and as they age, the additional splits will occur. In addition to the leaves, start drawing a quick outline for the roots which would start to come out of the coconut. Also draw horizontal lines to ground the plant in the drawing. Use apple green to help define the stems of the leaves and where they start at. Continue using the apple green to outline the shape of the leaves. Use sienna brown to help establish the roots and color the coconut. Use the dark brown to color the soil. Go back to the sienna brown and light umber to help fill the coconut with color. The split tips on the leaves were chosen with consideration to the age of this plant. To draw sharp points, try to keep the pencil sharpened and roll the tip of the pencil when needed. Use canary yellow to help define the spine of the leaves. Use spring green to help fill the color of the leaves. Add more spring green and grass green to the leaves. The grass green will be used as a shadow for the color of the leaves. Continue to use the grass green to build up the color and offset the yellow in the leaves. Go back to using the true green color. Return to use light umber and yellow ochre to help define the roots. Use light umber to help darken the areas in the leaves that would be shadow. Use grass green to help define the color in the leaves. Now with the leaves filled in, use light umber to help define the grounded soil color. Also lightly put in some green color over the brown soil. Reinforce around the brown. This completes the color drawing of our o'o, the sprouted coconut plant. As I make new videos, I want to share them with you, so subscribe now. Also comment, like, and check out some of the other content on our channel.